Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and if you're looking for a tablecloth for your next event, this banquet style tablecloth makes any 6-foot table look really nice. I always struggle finding the center of the tablecloth, and because this is tailor fit to any standard 6-foot table, the seams are really easy to line up with the edges of the table, and you can get it on perfectly every time. It reaches all the way down to the floor, and that buys you 6 feet of hidden storage space. So whatever you need to store underneath of your table, nobody has to see. I love the flap on one side because it makes it easy to access anything that you do have stored under your table. And I'm really glad that it was a 2-pack because when I got to my event, the table provided was actually 8 feet, and I was able to put these two together and still make it look really nice. So if you're looking for a tablecloth for your next party or event, this 2-pack of banquet style tablecloths makes any 6-foot table look really fancy. And that's my point of view.